Hello, hello. Let me start with saying thank you, Ayo Motosho. Thank you. Africa Youth Tourism Festival. I mean, who would have thought? But for you to be able to put this together, I salute your courage. I salute your vision. I salute you for bringing this to the table at a time when it is most needed. Because Goge Africa has done a lot, yes. But then, what are we without our successors? Ayo, for you to put this together means that you're carrying the youths along. Means that there's a future for Nigerian tourism, indeed for African tourism. So this is very timely. And I think that all all brands that are interested in the progress of Nigerian and African youth should put their money where their mouth is. They should support this event. African Youth Tourism Festival. I mean, this is the way to go. I'm so happy to be here today, and I wouldn't have missed this for anything in the world. Thank you. My name is Ambassador Neka Isaac Moses. Neka Isaac Moses, founder Goge Africa, or co-founder Goge Africa. So happy to be here.
Thank you, Good to see you all today, the first edition of the